Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you change your phone time in your Motorola phone. And guys, in this video guys, I will also show you like how can you use your phone time setting in your Motorola phone guys. So before starting video fans, I want to tell you, if you're in my channel and you're watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to change your phone time. Guys, scroll system, date and time. So as you can see guys, your time setting will not work, so guys use network provide time off. Guys, click on time. Guys, click on this keyboard. Guys, tap here. So guys, you can change your time from here. So guys, now example for suppose guys now it's 2:22 time, and guys you can set your AM and PM from here guys. Then guys, okay, so your phone time will change to 22. So I hope friends have understood how to change phone time in Motorola phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with the topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.